Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today's tutorial will be these, I guess you want to call them super skinny Senegalese twists. They're basically micro-sized Senegalese twists. I crocheted them on. I don't really go into too much detail on how to crochet, but I do show you the method that I do, and I show you my braiding pattern. But besides that, if you want to see how I got this look, then stay tuned.
Okay guys, so right here, oh hey, how you doing? Right here I have just one of the twists dangling in my head. I just was trying to see if I liked the color or not. I got the color number 4 of this Glance Braid Model Feathered Twist. I got 3 packs. As you can see here, I've got some pretty busted and disgusted cornrows. I'm just looking real busted, and I'm just going to oil those on up. It really does not matter how neat your cornrows are. I tried my best, but you know how that go. After I spray it, I put some wild growth oil on there. I'm really liking this stuff. I like the way it smells, and I feel like it keeps my hair sealed and moisturized when I'm doing protective styles. In the back here are just some old messed up cornrows, but I tried my best, like I said. So now I'm just going to get started on the process. This is what the hair looks like. It's just, you know, skinny twists. I think they look really cute. And it came with a lot in the pack. So I'm just going to take one. These don't have any pre-looped knots for you, so after you hook it into the braid, you have to tie the knot yourself, which is fine. It's the same result. So you stick the crochet latch through the braid, grab the hair from the other side, pull it through, and then since these don't have pre-loops, you just tie it in a knot. And don't worry, it won't get stuck. It's really easy to take out. And now it's just time to speed things up so you guys can see how I got done. I'm showing you guys what one pack of hair did for my head and my head size. I was able to get pretty much all of the back done. I just still have about a third of the back left. And the front, I brought 3 packs. So at this point I was feeling kind of nervous. I was hoping that I still was going to be able to get it all done. So right here, this is me breaking into the second pack. As you can see, I hook the latch hook through the braids, grab the hair, pull it through, then tie the knot. This is what 2 packs of hair got me. It left me completely with just the front of my head. So there's a lot of braids in my head right now, but you can see that everything is completely covered. So 2 packs went down really well. Now I'm breaking into the final pack of hair. You can see I was really nervous. I was hoping that I was going to have enough. So in the front of my head, I was more careful than I was in the back. I really tried to go all the way to the edge of my braids, and I really tried to not leave any spaces in between. I tried to be as close as possible, and I tried to be as neat as possible in the front, because the front is, you know, the part that is seen first, and I wanted to make sure it looked as neat as possible. On the spots where my hair is thinning or it looks kind of gappy, I would take my latch hook and hook it between 2 braids like you see me doing right there, and then I would tie it in a knot. It would just bring my hair closer together, and it would make everything seem neater. So now it's all done, all covered up. Now I'm just going to take and put everything away for now. If you've seen my last crochet video, this is the part where I like to try and brush my edges and get everything together underneath the hair. Beeswax and the black bottle of Got to Be glue gel. I have really kinky hair, so it draws up really tight and makes my edges look sparse. So what I like to do is just try to brush those and get those together to make the look have a little bit more of a seamless appeal. I left the scarf on for just a couple of minutes to let it dry and to set the gel. And then I put on some hair jewelry. Then I put on some makeup and a nice shirt. Oh, hello. I put on the makeup and a nice shirt. And now I'm taking the scarf off. I put some bobby pins to flatten down the back. If you find that it's too bulky, flatten down with bobby pins. This really helps. And then I darkened the roots of my hair with black mascara to make it look more natural. It's really a good tip.
Hey guys, thanks so much for watching. I was a little worried at first about how this hairstyle was going to turn out. So if you do plan to do a hairstyle where there's like a bunch of skinny twists and braids, just keep going until the end. Don't give up. And then if you find that it's too bulky, pin it down, pin the back down with bobby pins so that it can lay flat, because I have a small face, and what winds up happening is it gets to be too bulky and it basically just swallows me. Another tip that I thought was really useful is to darken the roots of the twists when it's not your hair color, so that it looks more natural, like a more ombre effect. And then just add the hair jewelry for flair. But this is pretty much all that I did. It took me about, I want to say, an hour or 2 hours, which is really a huge improvement if I would have went to the shop or something like that. But yeah, so thanks so much for watching. If you liked it, please give it a like, comment, subscribe. You guys know the drill. And I will definitely see you on my next video. Happy holidays.